Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. Cool song here from Russ in black. It's called Working On Me. So this one goes in the same way through the entire song. We have one change in the tuning here. It's the drop D tuning. I don't have any tutorial for this, but there are many out there on YouTube. So just search on drop D tuning and how to get that. I can just go through it a little bit quickly here on this tutorial actually. So normally you have pretty much a standard tuning. I go by ear here. I try to get it pretty. Yeah. There we have a standard tuning with the E string. So what you're gonna do here is to match up the E string here with the D string. So your each E string should sound like this, but one step darker, so to speak. So it doesn't do that now because it's a standard tuning. So you want to drop that E string to D tuning, okay? So you do that to this position, all right? You can hear the similarities there. Okay, so it sounds like a D now, it's darker. And just to give you one reference here, normally on your knob here, you pretty much turn it towards you and it should be somewhere around a half turn there. So 180, you turn that towards you, the E string, and you normally hit that D string mark there. So anyway, that is my short explanation of drop D tuning. Let's take a look at this song. All right, so we have 3 different grips for this one. So we're gonna go from this position. That will be the 4th fret on E string, then open A and 6 D. That's the strings we're gonna work with, E, A, and D. Okay, so 4th E, open A, and 6 D. You're gonna play this part. Okay, so that is 4th E, open A, 6 D, and open A. And it follows the same pattern throughout the song here. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that. So slowly. Right? The next is this. Okay, so you just have to hold the 2nd fret D string. The E and A are open. So it goes open E, open A, 2nd D, and back to open A. The same pattern there, just different grips. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that. So. And the final grip here will be this. It goes. So that is 2nd on E, open A, 4th D, and back to open A. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that. And that's the end of this chord progression, if we can call that, or grip progression. And you go back to the original grip to this position here. And you see it's the same grip as you started. That's how you ended. I mean, that's how you start here on this position. So you can basically just slide over to this and start a new round. So slowly, 1 round goes 4 of these. 2 of this and 2 of this. All right, so. And so on. Right. If you get bored of this playing with all the notes and handle them, you can actually combine this with a strumming pattern. And since we are drop D tuning, you just play a short little bar there on the position you use. So For instance, the first grip, this is on the 4th position here. So just play a little bar on 4th fret. It sounds cool immediately since it's drop D. And when you were playing this grip here only, you have no need for anything to hold there. So just have it open. Sounds cool there. And with this position here, that means a 2nd bar on the 2nd fret. That's enough. So you hold these grips depending on where you are, and you're gonna play a strumming pattern that goes down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's what I would choose for this song. And it goes like this. All right, so down, up to start with. Make sure you're just playing on the bass strings now. You don't use the full down here, all right? So try to avoid the strings, just E, A, and D. So down, up, and then comes clap, up, down, up. And that is 1 round. And just follow the same pattern here, but you play the half amount of times as you played the melodies. So which means the first grip here, this one, if you replace that with the strumming, instead of playing 4 rounds, which you played with the melody, now you're gonna play 2 rounds, okay? So 2 rounds of strumming for this one. And the open chord here, where you played 2 rounds of this. Now you're just gonna play 1 round of strumming, okay? And the same goes for the last grip here, only 1 round with the 2nd bar there. So 1 string around goes 2, and 1, and 1, 2, 1, 1. Alright, so that is how I handle Russ and Black's Working On Me. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time, play tuned.